I had bad credit, my husband had bad credit, and we were just like, how do we get this house? We could afford it financially on paper, but our credit score didn't allow any banks to say yes.
Loan officers in the industry, they encounter folks who might be credit challenged, and then for lack of a better expression, kick them to the curb. They go on to the next. They need to be able to raise their score. And frankly, not always just to be able to qualify for a home, but sometimes to qualify for a lower rate. And a FICO score can impact that.
CredEvolv is a fintech platform that serves to solve problems in the mortgage lending ecosystem. Consumers who are often low to moderate income, first-time home buyers, minorities, have had nowhere to go to seek counsel and advice. Nonprofit counseling agencies have lacked the technology and the ability to think commercially in a way that would truly drive results for consumers. Our platform serves to connect those consumers and their lending partners with nonprofit HUD counselors. Our HUD counselors have the ability to provide a robust service offering in areas like budgeting, counseling for debt management, the ability to educate consumers on credit correction, credit remediation strategies, and even, of course, mortgage readiness coaching. And we are embracing AI, machine learning, to really enhance not only the counselor experience, but the end user experience as well.
CredEvolv is a vendor partner of ours that is dedicated to helping folks navigate through what is a very convoluted process that they make very simple. We have a way to, within our loan origination software system, refer them to CredEvolv. If they enroll in the program, CredEvolv will make sure that we are made aware on a monthly basis, whether it be 30 days, 3 months, or 6 months, we can let them know when our client is now ready and able to buy.
My name's Kendra Grasso, and I work at a high school in the nursing office. We wanted our kids to grow up in a home that we started together. Working with them for, the first couple weeks, it was interesting to me being able to log on to our account and being able to see the little things that were happening, but in turn, they were really big. And it was like, my credit just shot up 50 points in like a week. They're working on the back end for you all the time.
CredEvolv's platform allows consumers to engage with their HUD counselor. They have the ability to track their real-time progress in our state-of-the-art platform. There's never a time that they're left in the dark, not knowing exactly what their strategic action plan is, and our technology serves to create full transparency.
Housing, in and of itself, helps America become a stronger nation. It's the only way for 90% of Americans to build generational wealth, quite frankly, and level the playing field across the board for all generations of all race and creeds and colors. So for all the right reasons, it's important to be a housing advocate. CredEvolv is an essential partner for that very reason alone.
They had said, okay, you have finally graduated. And I was like, what does that mean? I was like, I don't want to let you go. Like, you've been such a huge support in our lives. But she said, yes, it's time. Now I want you to go apply. We applied for the loan and we got the phone call that we've all been waiting for. And it was, you're approved. It was the best feeling ever to know that we had somebody walking by us, side by side, hand in hand, the whole way. For me, walking the kids in the door and knowing that this is their home, it's just something that we work so hard for, and they can call it their own.